Hey, what's up all? Alan here with Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for tuning back in. So if you've been looking to upgrade your shower head, then this one right here may be for you. So I had the chance to check out the Bluelory Rainfall and Handheld Shower Kit. Now it comes with everything you need. Everything from the Teflon tape to the diverter to really, you don't need anything else. Now you probably want some tools to work with, even though you can probably do it tool free. I just don't know if you would get it tight enough. But everything else is included for 60 bucks. It's super awesome. Now let me go ahead and actually show you what comes in the box so you can see that. And then we'll jump over and I'll show you my install. Not the whole thing, I'll show you some highlights, but really this has been an awesome shower head. So right now let's take a look and see actually what comes in the box. So here is the Rainfall shower head. Pretty cool looking. It is all, I believe it's like a chrome. And then these here on the bottom, they're like these, almost like a silicone or rubber. Pretty cool, all the different things. And it is rated for high pressure. So it should be good. I'm hoping. We do have a little bit of a pressure issue here. Comes and goes, kind of weird, don't know why. And then here is the shower head for the handheld, and you can see it has a few different options here that you can switch between, and you see all the little outlets. So that should be great. This is something that's awesome just by itself because you'll be able to have all those different selections. Now the thing that I'm a little bit concerned about is how we're going to mount the actual handheld. So this is how it comes. It's really nice. We can put it on the tile or whatever you have. Now this is the this is the extension arm for that Rainfall. So you're going to connect it with a diverter that's included here. So we got that little diverter that's going to connect, and you can adjust this all different ways so the Rainfall can come up further above your head, and then that shower handle can be a little bit right above your head and can spray down. And these here, I know they look like little diverter handles, but they're not, as far as I know. What they are doing is just allowing you to turn this and lock it in place, because now I can't lock it. So really, this is nice and heavy duty, all, definitely metal for sure. I don't really feel any plastic there, which is nice, especially for when you're spending about $60. Here's another little adapter that it comes with. This is plastic, has that little thing in the middle there to catch all the debris if you have any going through your water system. And finally we have the coiled cable here. Now this does feel plastic. The ends are metal. It has that chrome look, but plenty long. So this is probably about it's probably about 4 feet or so, maybe a little bit longer. So you're going to get plenty of extension there, so you have it connected. You can probably wash the dog if it had to in the tub. So I'm really looking forward to checking this out. So right now let's get started and check out the combo shower head kit from the brand Bluelory. Really, this has been an awesome shower head, and even with just mediocre water pressure that we have at our house that fluctuates, it works really great. So you'll see the Rainfall shower head running behind me. It was, again, really super easy to install. And the nice thing I like about this, first I didn't think I was going to like the Rainfall shower head, but actually I really do like it. And it delivers not only just like a really soft and refreshing feeling, instead of being blasted in the face with a normal shower head. Now what's really great is you have this above you, but then you can set a diverter that's included to deliver pressure from, or deliver water from the Rainfall and also the handheld. And that way you can kind of wash everything. If it's two of you in the shower, you got plenty of water going every which way. So this again is the Blue Lori Rainfall and Handheld Shower Kit. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do, and I'll see you guys real soon.